Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you the exact steps to create a simple Helpdesk system using free tools in Agile CRM. First, use the Deals pipeline for tickets. Go to Deals and click Manage Pipelines. Create a new pipeline named Support Tickets. Add stages like New Ticket, In Progress, and Resolved. Click Save. Now, when a customer emails, create a new deal. Click New Deal, name it with the issue. Set the pipeline to Support Tickets and stage to New Ticket. Link it to the customer's contact. Click Save. To track talk, go to the contact's profile. Emails sent from Agile are logged in their timeline. Click Note on the deal to add internal updates. To see all open tickets, go to the Deals page, use the filter. Click Add Filter, choose Pipeline, select Support Tickets, and click Apply. This shows every active ticket. Finally, when fixed, open the deal. Drag its card from In Progress to Resolved in the Kanban view, and that's it. You've used a Deals pipeline as a ticket system and filtered to see all open issues. If this helped set up a free Helpdesk, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.